In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop smartly and save big using the Shein app. Whether you're a fashion lover on a budget or just looking to snag some great deals, this step-by-step guide will help you make the most out of this popular shopping app. So grab your phone and let's get started on this money-saving journey. First things first, you'll want to download and open the Shein app on your smartphone. Head over to your device's app store, be it the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Once you're there, search for Shein and hit download. It's a free app, so you won't have to spend a dime just yet. Once the app is installed, open it up and you'll be greeted with a vibrant interface that showcases the latest fashion trends right at your fingertips. Next, you need to either sign up for a new account or log in if you're already a member. If you're signing up, you'll just need to provide a few details, like your email address and a password to create your profile. If, however, you already have an account, go ahead and enter your details to log in. Having an account provides you with personalized recommendations and exclusive deals, so it's definitely worth a couple of extra minutes to get set up. Once you're logged in, it's time to earn some points, which are your ticket to discounts and freebies. The Shein app has a fantastic feature that allows you to participate in daily tasks, games, and challenges. Navigate to the section with these fun activities. You'll usually find it in the rewards or points section of the app. These tasks might include checking into the app daily, sharing items on social media, or completing mini games, all of which are quite engaging and can be done in your spare time. The points you accrue from these activities can be redeemed for coupons and discounts, a fantastic way to make your shopping experience even more affordable. To redeem your points, find the rewards center within the app. Here, you'll be able to see the different coupons available that match your point tally. Select the ones that appeal to you and add them to your account. This is where the real savings start to kick in. Finally, when you're ready to make a purchase, you'll want to apply these coupons during the checkout process. As you browse and add items to your cart, keep in mind the discounts you have available. When you're finally checking out, there will be an option to apply coupons. Simply select the valid ones you've redeemed to see those prices drop. Whether you're getting a percentage off or enjoying free shipping, these savings can add up quickly, and that's it. Shopping with the Shein app is not only easy but also rewarding. With these steps, you can keep your wardrobe fresh without breaking the bank. Remember to check back often for new tasks and collection points as Shein frequently updates their offerings. Happy shopping, and until next time, enjoy those fabulous deals.